Hope you all are fine. Today our book is 6 New Countdown 2nd edition. This lecture is the continuation of our last lecture, that what are prime numbers. Exercise 3b, list the prime numbers between 50 and 75. If you want an definition of prime numbers, you can see my previous video. In my previous video I will tell this. Prime numbers are the same just like an odd numbers, because the prime numbers comes in between their own table or in a table of 1. So we have to tell the prime numbers which comes between 50 and 75. Now let's start. Exercise. Exercise is 3b. Question number is 3. List prime numbers between 50 and 75. So we have to tell the numbers which come between 50 and 75 and the numbers which come in their own table or in a table of 1. So it is 53, because 53 comes in its own table. 53 ones are 53 and in a table of 1. They doesn't come in a table of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or so on. The next is 57, because the last digits, as you can see, the first digit comes in 5 table. We can see that the last digits 3 and 7 are odd numbers, and we can know that odd and prime numbers are similar, just similar, not exactly similar. So odd numbers comes in their own table or in a table of 1. So they both are prime numbers. Move towards next. 61. Yes, 1 is an prime, because 1 comes in its own table. 1 doesn't come in a table of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Next is 67. It is an prime number because 7 comes in its own table. It doesn't come in any other's table. Okay, I hope you can understand it. Next is 71. Yes, because 7 is an odd number, 71 comes in its own table or in a table of 1. If you want to check it, you have to divide these numbers with many tables, with many numbers. You can see the answer. The next is 73. 73. 3 is an odd number and 73 is a prime number. So these are the numbers which comes between 50 and 75. I hope you can understand it. Okay, so take care of yourself, keep practicing math, and please kindly learn the definition of even, odd and prime numbers. I repeat, learn the definitions of even, odd and prime numbers. Take care of yourself. Till then, Allah Hafiz.